Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to talk about something very important in both life and work learning from failure through design thinking. Many people think failure is bad experience of our life. They feel discouraged and frustrated when things don't work out. But in digital thinking, failure is not the end. In fact, failure is a step towards success. Every mistake teaches us something new and helps us improve. So, what is digital thinking? Why it is important? Design thinking are, uh, is a human-centered, creative problem-solving process. It helps us design solutions that actually work for people. It is widely used in technology, media studies, education, business, and even social projects. We have many five strategies in digital thinking, such as empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. These five strategies are process are very essential concepts for understanding the digital thinking. The first one is empathize. First of all, we should understand what is meaning of empathize. Understand the user's needs. For example, Instagram or TikTok noticed users want short, entertaining videos rather than long content. By empathizing with users' behavior, they redesigned their platforms. Define the another important process of design thinking. They clearly define the problem. For example, Netflix initially struggled with DVD rentals. They realized customers wanted instant access to movie online rather than waiting for delivery. The next stage, ideate, generate as many ideas as possible. YouTube started as a dating site idea, but during brainstorming, the founders realized people just want to share videos easily. Next process of design thinking, prototype, build a simple version of your idea. Instagram's first prototype was Bourbon, a check-in app. They noticed user loved photo sharing, so they refined it to Instagram as we know it today. Then last stage is test. Check if it works and learn from mistakes. Early prototypes often fail. For example, Snapchat initially had filters that users didn't like. They iterate based on feedback to create fun, engaging AR filters that become hugely popular. This repeating process is called iteration, trying again and again, learning from mistakes and refining the solution. The successful companies like Apple, Google, and Netflix use iteration all the time. Other examples of learning from failure, Pixar movies. Many Pixar movies go through multiple story revisions. Toy Story almost didn't work in its first draft, but through iterations and feedback, it became a global fit. The next example is Spotify. Early version had poor playlist recommendations. They failed initially to match users' taste, but they testing and improving algorithms, Spotify now offers personalized playlists that millions love. The everyday life example, think about planning to ride a bicycle. You fall multiple times. Each fall teaches balance and controls. That's design thinking in action, prototyping, testing, failing, and learning. In media and content creation, this process is common. Filmmakers test script, audience reactions, and editing styles repeatedly until the movie works. That's design thinking at work. In education, design thinking teaches resilience, creativity, and confidence. Students learn that mistakes are not something to fear, but opportunities to learn. It helps develop a growth mindset, the belief that abilities and intelligence can improve with effort and practice. Some key takeaways from this today lesson: failure is not weakness. First of all, we should understand failure is not weakness. It is a powerful learning tool. Then second one is iteration, that the trying, failing, and improving is essential for innovation. The next one is design thinking helps us create solutions that meet human needs. The last one is resilience, creativity, and problem solving improve when we embrace failure. To conclude of today's session, whenever you try something new, don't fear failure. Embrace it, learning from it, and use it to improve your ideas. That is the real power of design thinking, turning mistakes into innovation, growth, and success. Thank you for today listening.